All right, y'all. Got another green day in the market. Happy Monday to you. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch recent videos. Share my channel also. We got Friday was green. Friday was a good old payout too. Thursday and Friday I had good dividend payouts. Did a short for it. Y'all go check it out. But Thursday was green. Friday was green. Today is green. This week you got Trump and that Chinese the China president meeting, so that's a positive sign. Um Wednesday you have the interest rate cuts for 25 points. I think that's kind of like priced in, to be honest. It might run up more, but I don't think it's gonna make too much of a difference. Coming towards the beginning of the year anyway, September, October the worst trade month of the year. Going into November and December should be positive, be bullish. Um Still got a little list on some trades that I am in. Some of them I tell y'all to stay out of, but we're gonna go on through them. Still got some cash flow to go to buy all the yield max ETFs. You know those most of those pay out weekly now, so you should definitely get some volume on those. So we can start out here. I'm just show you ULTY real quick. If y'all been monitoring this in the last 2 weeks, you know it got down to $4.60. Everybody was panic selling. That's why I tell you, man, just hold on, hold on. Follow me, ride with me. We're gonna get through these tough times. Everybody that sold at 460. This got up to what, $5.10 today. This already bounced back and pulled back. 512 today. If you look at that volume in the right hand corner, say 18.68 million. The dividend yield for this stock is like a hundred and something percent dividend yield. Where else in the market are you going to go to find this kind of yield for people that's kind of retired early, live off dividends, or want that monthly cash flow? You can't go anywhere else. I mean, especially paying out weekly. Now you got more yield max ETF. Like I said, if you look at the volume on all those TSLY, AMDY, all them in the $1 million of ranges, man. I mean, those things move. It's a lot like this one, 18.6 million. It's 18.6 million trades a day. So just to show you what on that, man, I'm gonna stay and rock it out. I'm not selling none. Everything pays out weekly now. Being that it's weekly, it's gonna attract more volume to it, which gonna make the stock price go up. So what I'm gonna do, I might get some fractional shares on certain days, but I'm gonna chart it out and buy it weekly. On certain ones, I want to bring out my average calls. ULTY, I might get some weekly, and I might not. Might just chill and just let it do its thing. To be honest, I can just collect all of my dividends and let it pay back the margin. But for y'all that, I'm probably just gonna trade something for y'all. I'm gonna get like 5 shares a week, just something to grab. But anyway, we're gonna get to it, man. Let's go with Metafast. This gonna be a swing trade here. I've been buying this heavily, lowering my average cost, bringing the average cost down. Got to sell low at $14. Right now it's at $12.93, moving up, being bullish. Is up 39 cents for the day. I'm going in at I'm at 19.18 now. I'm going in at 12.53. Like I say, this is a swing trade. Once I trade myself out of it, I'm done with it. 12.53. See, a lot of people got the same mentality as me. They trying to buy it and sell it to lower their average cost. This is one a $60 play. You should play a handsome dividend yield also. Got YBit. Like I say, these paying out weekly now. Options on Bitcoin. Got 243 shares. I like this at the $10 and under mark. Got down to 9.19 today. Like I said, I'm gonna be buying some fractional shares of stuff. And I can chart it out on a weekly basis. I do have some buy orders in. I just want to see how this gonna trade, learn the pattern. Like I know ULTY. Got to learn the pattern of the stuff you trade. And being that it's weekly now, you got to scope it out. Watch it with a side eye for now. MSTY, fractional share. Like I say, ain't gonna load up on it. I can buy some shares at the end of the week. You always really want to buy shares after the ex-dividend date anyway. Like overnight, it'll fall. But being that it's weekly, probably not gonna fall as much. I've been giving y'all pending it float under $9. Now it's at $9.24, making its way back. I'm at $10.70. Pay 10 cents a share a month. HRZN. I'm gonna giving y'all this one too. Horizon. I'm at 1,288 shares. Coming back above the $6 mark now. A little $3 worth for this. 11 cents a share a month. It's a killer dividend yield right about now, around about 20%. 22%. 66.7% got it as a whole. 16.7 got it as a buy. I'm holding mine, collecting that juicy monthly dividend. OXLC, 40 cents a share a month. Riding his way back up. If trading this one, I would get 1 share a day at the daily low, or I chart it out and get 5 shares or 25, whatever you want to buy weekly. At the 5-day low, that's how I am trading it. I'm not, for one, you can't trade it in this brokerage. I got it in my Webull, so that's how I treat it. I buy 5 shares a week. Might increase it to 20, depends. PYPY. $10.46. I like this at 11 and under. I can see now that it pays out weekly. I'm at 11.59. We'll see how this gonna trade at YMAX. Been one of my favorites for the last 2 weeks. I definitely loaded up and built the position here. I got my 500 shares at 12.54. Look like this not about to pull back none. Got some buy limit orders just in case it does. But low enough for me to get a little $3 worth just to nibble at. RC Ready Capital. Waiting on this one to squeeze. $3.11 is that. Might be on its way up now. $12.50 a share every quarter. OXSQ. This one been doing well. Came back down. Now it's on its way back up. Going at 184. Still like it below this $2 mark. I'm gonna make some money with this one. This go back to that $3. I know I'm well in, almost with 2,300 shares I'm at now. USOI. Oil been doing good. Still below the $52 mark. Let's see how much this gonna push. Still got the lower that average cost. When it was at the $48, y'all should have been loading up. I'm at 63.42 now. Want to get me 100 shares. Hopefully by the time I get it, I'll be in the $50 range. IWMY pays every week. Options on the Russell 2000. I'm about to get a share, but I can do this right here and cash up. I brought a bunch. It was at 22.43. I should have went in lower than that. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a share, $21.95. Like it at that price, that 22 and under, I get a share. Build that portfolio. I got my 100 shares. It's gonna go back past the $23 mark if it trade the way it did in the past. SRLN came down to 41.06. Now it's right back at 41.44 dividend yield. 7.58%, pays out monthly. This is like my little bank account here. Got this in another portfolio also. Wendy's back down, $8.92. You can buy in at this low range and sell it right back up to $9.32. It can be a nice little swing trade for you, especially for you to lower your average cost. I traded my shares at $9.36 or whatever. Now I got an average cost of $9.40. And believe me, I'm going to get my way up out of Wendy's. Once I exit it, I am out and I'm not coming back. Not for no swing trading or nothing. I'll take my money and run. MFA. Nice quarterly player. Still got to have some plays to put your money at. You can cash up still, but especially something to bring down your average cost in. Costco. Got down to $9.25.21. Add some of that onto it. Got a 52-week high of $1,078. AFCG going in at $3.36. Dividend payer. Swing trade too. Once I get up out of this one, I'm gonna be gone. Got two harbors getting beat up. Nice quarterly paying REIT. It's the time you want to buy. So $9.80. We got down to $9.70 today. I ain't not gonna get greedy. Add some more of that on. I like that at 10 and under. DEO. Diageo. Down to 95.06 today. Coming on down. Dang, 93.95. I'm gonna have to go get some of that. CHMI. About to say 238. Still hang around that same spot. I'll step it up today. Just in case this shit want to fly on up. See if I can lower my average cost some. I'm at 286. I could probably buy this at 238, sell it around about 246, rinse and repeat. Seem like this is where this trading at. I'm gonna go check the chart on it. Hope I probably can make some money right here with this one. Rinsing and repeating. Buy me 100 shares. I can make this 8 cents. Like that's $8. Make a little something, but mainly want to lower your average cost. And keep everything for the long haul when it does run. Getting at 265 today, just climbing up slowly. Waiting on to get past that $3 mark. Let's go check out the Dow and DEA real quick. We can get done with this trade for the day. Green days, shorter the videos. As you can see that Dow going up. I ain't gonna bother it. I'm giving y'all this play too. I got 39 shares at 27.26. I say follow your boy. But you the CEO of your portfolio now. DEA had good earnings, but stock still down. Time for me to lower my average cost in this one. If you're not in it, you can stay out of it. I go for those yield max. I want that cash flow every week. You can't get it no better than that. Go check this one out. TCPC. So this one on the way climbing back up too. So why them stocks cheap, you better buy them, especially them dividend plays. This owned by BlackRock. No, they buying up everything. 18.8% dividend yield. All right, let's go check our traps. Figured Newtek probably went on a little run. Get some while I'm here. See if it go back below that $11 mark. Yep, about to be a time of cashing up, man. Just sit back, collect the dividends, waiting on something to fall. Ain't worrying about HPP, want that to run. Holding what I got for that. LFT, Lumen Finance. It's going to be another one. Like 223 now. Write down something real quick. LFT 1.70. That's going to be a swing trade also. PMT, I done scalped my profits on that on the swing I did. Got pets, land, got a dividend coming out. Matter of fact, I need to go start getting some of this Nike too. Lower my average cost. See if Nike can get back the way it was before. Think I'm gonna buy it at this price and start selling it at about $74 to lower my average cost. Think Nike gonna be a play I'm gonna get out of anyway. Another one I need to come down on before this go back up. CHCT. RPT, another one I like. 240. See, these little small stuff like this, these are the swing trades. You're not going to make as much. You might can get 6 cents, 4 cents, 8 cents, but you make money off volume. See this run back up to 252, that's 12 cents. You got 1,000 or 2,000 shares, and you holding and get that juicy dividend while you're holding it. Especially that 2, so you got a 52, you high $3.42. I'm at 339. Oh, didn't mean to do that. RPT. I said I'm going to chill on ULTY in this portfolio. I made $286 on Thursday. I brought more shares. I should be around about the $300 mark a week now. But I'm going to bring down my average cost in the other plays. That Pine was getting whooped. But that's on its way back up. Got 2 harbors. Definitely going to double down some more on that one. On TWO. ARR been doing good. That's back at the $16 mark. Like I say, I used to buy this at 19 and lower. I'm glad I brought all them shares and brought down my average cost because I was at like $21. I've been buying and selling it, buying and selling it, buying and selling it. But now I just sit back and get the dividend now. See, now I'm in profits. Walmart got this on recurring a day. When Walmart pull back, any red day, I always buy some. It's a long-term play here anyway. Fill that position out. So you got to have generational wealth. You got to hold one stock or ETF, something for over generation. We're going to get good on TSLY every week, especially being that it's going up. The higher the price, the better the dividend. And with Misty, when MicroStrategy start going up, boy, you gonna have some nice juicy dividends there. Shamir Investment. See, this is what I'm gonna do. Put all my money and lower my average cost of these plays here. My quarterly and monthly payers. I'm gonna use the weekly payers to bring down my average cost on those. Yeah, Suns, Wendy's, got a little bit of that. YMAX, we good. Yeah, being that they Yield Max weekly now, man, you gonna have some cash flow coming in, man. You gonna have so much cash, you're not gonna know what to do with it. DA, I know I already got. 20 I'm bringing out my average cost here. Just got a 52-week high of 34.90. Gonna see what's gonna happen. 9.89% dividend yield. Combat down 1.71%. I usually nibble at this at 9 and under. What's the 52-week high on this one? 15.37. I don't want to bother it. PE ratio is low though. Market cap 2.93 billion. 75% buy, 25% hold. This is a Marine Dry Bulk shipping company. Let's see if they charge the ADR fees. See, total withheld 85 cents. See, that's what I don't like about these kind of plays. So that one I'm going to sell. I'm just going to leave it alone. When it runs, I'm going to get out of it. I don't like those ADR fees. All right, let's check out Webull and Hood and Thing. We're going to get on out of here. That's why I was giving y'all this play also. I got 13.69 shares at 11.63. I will be buying Webull every week with buy limit orders, charting it out weekly. It's definitely one I will buy, and on the pullbacks. If I'm not mistaken, they got earnings coming. I'm up now in Hood. When it was cheap, I brought a lot of it. I got average calls at 126. So on the days this pullback, I will be adding on to it, but I'm definitely going for Webull, and I want SoFi. Those are my 3 targets for my growth stocks I'm going to buy. And that's really it there, man. Y'all enjoy your day, 22 minutes still, but signing off, go get your money. Just letting y'all know where I'm headed for the future, because look like things are about to get bullish. And we're going to sit back and collect our dividends and reinvest in certain places. Go get your money.